everybody. I've just had the new Shark Duoclean True Pet Corded Vacuum arrive. It is beautiful. It is in a rose gold colour. I'm very excited to review this product, and I'm going to unbox it and see what we get inside. Look. So we've got some instructions. What's this? Oh yeah, that's the telescope pole. Beautiful, look at the colour. I'll show you that in a minute. We'll have a look at the attachments first. Right, so this is the accessories. Let's see what we've got in here. Wow, what's this? Motorised pet tool for dog hairs. Wow. Hey, that's good. Wand release, Shark motorised tool. And it's got its own little thing there. Ooh. Don't know what that is. Pull. Pull to access. Oh, I guess you can clean it out. That's the pet tool. Right. Oh yes, one of these. Ooh, that's nice, extra long. Feels lovely. It's getting all the nooks and crannies and edgings. And then we've got, ooh, what's this? Just get the scissors. Oh, dusting tool. Very nice. Does it swivel? Oh, and it swivels, so it's bent a bit. That's good. So swiveler. Very nice. Right, and that's all the accessories. See what else there is. Oh, this feels a bit heavy. See what this is. Wow, what's this? Indy's really interested. Move. Ooh, this is a bit heavy. Oh, I think this is the... And here we have the main head of the Hoover. Absolutely gorgeous. It's like a matte black gloss. Well, it can't be a matte. No. It's like a black gloss with rose gold trim. And let's have a look underneath. Oh, and we've got the roller. It smells. Feels really nice. And then we've got the brush bit here. And like some sort of soft thing here. Wow. And you can, what's this? Access. Oh, to access, you can access the brush roll to clean it by pressing these buttons here. And it's got swivel. Oh, and it goes up and locks into place like so. Very nice, I love that. And then, oh, something else in the bottom of here. Wow, this is the bagless compartment thing. Oh, let's have a look. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous. Wow. And see, you've got the rose gold trim round. That is lovely. And there's 3 settings on here. Thick pile carpets, hard floor and rugs. And it's a, I think it's a, oh, it's a roll flick. So you put it on 2, 1 or 0. That feels lovely. Wow, and you've got the logo here. And that's your compartment to empty. Press to enter. Oh, there we go. And inside we've got a pull filter screen to move for cleaning. Not sure how to do that. Oh, all right, so you've got a mesh and then there's filter thing inside, and then we'll put the mesh back on. Back on. Wow. That's brilliant. That's lovely. Very light, very heavy. Right, now I'm going to show you how to put this together, just in case you don't know how to do it. It's really easy though and simple. So you get the telescope bit and you put it there, make sure it matches up and clicks into place, and then you get the top shark hoover bit and clicks into place. Whoa, wow, and that's it. Right. The only problem with this is it doesn't stand up on its own. I guess you would have to leave. And it's just come apart. Whoopsie. There we go, click it back in. Right, that's attached now. Sorry guys. So it doesn't stand up on its own, but it does fold down for easy storage. So you press on the back of here and it folds down. So that's good, and then it stands up for easy storage, and then you've got a handle there and it's very light to pick up. And then to get it back up, you press that to unlock and flip it back up. There we go. And then to get the thing to bend to hoover, you just press on the front bit and it unclicks down like that.